Inside Burundi's Wildlife Museum, you won't believe these animals. Welcome to the Living Museum of Bujumbura, Burundi. Today, I'm taking you on a journey inside of Burundi's most fascinating places, where you can see real world up closer. You won't believe some of animals we found here. Stay until the end to see the most surprising animal here. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. What's your favorite wild animal? This museum was created in 1977 to showcase Burundi's wildlife and culture. Unlike traditional museums, this one is alive with real animals. It's located in the heart of Bujumbura, covering 3 hectares with different species of animals, trees, and even traditional Burundian house. The animals you can see here: crocodiles. One of the biggest attractions here is the crocodile enclosure. These incredible reptiles can grow up to 5 meters long and live for over 70 years. In this video, you are going to explore more animals, especially the animals which are in museum in Bujumbura, Burundi. Here we have many and more crocodiles and big one. Another animals we can see here, it's chimpanzees and monkeys. The Living Museum is home to chimpanzees and different types of monkeys. Chimpanzees are one of the most intelligent animals, sharing nearly 98% of their DNA with humans. Here we can see how the chimpanzees, their position, how they are bedding, and how they are praying, because they are intelligent. They look like a human. Wow, we can see the one chimpanzee here. Wow. Oh, it's cramping up because they spend a whole night up. They don't rest. Wow. This one chicken is going to death. Wow, going to death. Wow, look. So it has 84 years old. Wow, how it's dead. Wow. It was born in 1991. Now it has 84 years old. Wow, how it dance. Look, yeah. It's amazing. When you came here in museum to visit some of animals, when go, you cannot wait to go back. Because yeah. Look, so here another animals we can see here, it's snakers. We have kind of snakers, like two kind of snake. It's a python and cobra. If you love repeat, you will be amazed by deer, python and venomous cobras in the museum. Did you know a python can throw an animal who can see? Yeah, look this one. Look, it's a great snake. Wow, look at this one. It's a big. Oh, when you stay nearby it, you can have fear because it's a big one. Look, wow, it's measured like 5 meters, and it's a big one. Look, this head. Wow. It's a big snake. It's a big snake. It's a python. Wow, look. It's a big one. Yeah, this is a cobra. Small cobra. Are two snake cobra. They are in the one place. Yeah, look. Oh, look how they Wake up. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, well, if you are fearless, you cannot stand nearby those cobras, because you can feel fearness. Oh, look at this guy. This guard, he has taken this snake. Wow. So another animals you can see here, it's the leopard. Is one of Africa's most iconic predators, known for its golden coat with black results. This big coat is an expert in strength, speed, and strength. Powerful hunter, leopards are silent but deadly hunters, capable of taking down prey much larger than themselves. Another character of leopard is climbing. So climbing master, unlike lions, leopards love to climb trees to rest and store their food safely away from other predators. Wow, this one is attacking. Wow. Oh, this leopard is enjoy because it knows him. Yeah, it knows him, because every time I see him. Wow. Another one, it's tortoise. Yeah, this tortoise, it's a big one. This tortoise. So this tortoise, it's amazing. It's a deer tortoise, one of the most peaceful animals. Here is deer tortoise. Those creatures can live over 100 years old. This one, it has 81 years old. Can you imagine? Yeah, this one, it's a big. It has many years of living. Yeah, this is the most peaceful animals here, the deer tortoise. Wow, this one, it's an antelope. Another animals we can see here, we can find here when you came to visit museum, Bujumbura Museum, is antelopes. Burundi's wildlife is not completely without antelope. These beautiful and faster animals are often found in our national parks. Yeah, welcome to visit this museum, because it's you can find amazing kind of animals. Welcome. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment on this video, Mario's Spark. We hope that see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching this video.